In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin apps to the navigation menu in Shopify. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Apps section, which you can find on the left panel of your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where all of your installed apps are managed, making it a crucial area for customizing your store's functionality and appearance. Once you've clicked on Apps, you'll need to select Apps and Sales Channel Settings. This will take you to a comprehensive list of all the apps currently installed on your Shopify site. It's an excellent way to see everything in one place, and it gives you a good overview of the tools at your disposal. Next, find the app you want to pin. You'll notice a three dots icon next to each app. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From there, select Open to launch the app. The purpose of opening the app is to make it visible on the left panel, which makes it accessible for the pinning process. Once the app is open and visible, look for the pin icon next to it. By clicking on the pin icon, you will effectively pin the app, ensuring that it remains on your navigation menu even when you're not actively using it. This pinned position means that every time you log into your dashboard, you'll see the app immediately, making for quick and easy access whenever you need it. And just like that, the app is now pinned to your navigation menu on the left panel of the admin dashboard. This is particularly useful for apps you use frequently, as it saves you time by putting your essential tools front and center. You can be more productive by reducing unnecessary steps to access commonly used apps, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully pinned an app to your Shopify navigation menu, a simple trick, but a very effective way to streamline your workflow. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that it enhances your Shopify experience. Feel free to experiment with pinning and unpinning different apps based on your current needs and priorities. Thank you for watching, and happy managing.